Hello friends, today I am going to show you the Sprig tempered glass screen protector for Samsung Galaxy M52 5G. So basically you might be thinking that why Sprig? Just before for the A52 we used the Spigen, but for this one we are using Sprig. Actually I want to try both, how both perform, and we'll experience what is the difference with Spigen and Sprig for both the devices. And another thing is that presently in market, Spigen has not yet manufactured the tempered glass for Galaxy M52 5G. So when you order this, you have to order it from the Sprig store, that is on the official Sprig website. It comes in this type of packaging. As you can see here, it comes in this types of packaging, and it comes in this way, and the price is also mentioned here. As you can see here, this is the price. So why wait, my friends, let's open this up. So basically Spigen and Sprig's quality of manufacturing of the product are both are same. So I think that both tempered glasses are good. So I bought two packs. So each pack has one tempered glass, and for both I have paid 900 rupees each. If you see on this box, it will be written as 800 rupees, but it is half the rate, my friends, and 900 means it comes around 350 rupees. So nothing else inside the box. So we will put this box aside, and we will keep one for extra. Also here it is mentioned as Samsung Galaxy M52 5G A71 F62 M51, but I don't think that this will go with M51 because M51 is a bigger device, but that I can confirm you after the Spigen comes out. So let's keep this aside. So as usual, my friends, before doing this stuff, clean this whole desk, wash your hands. I have already done that, so I will use some alcohol wipes and sanitizer to sanitize my hands, and turn off any of their fans or ACs or anything. I have turned off it. Now we will remove it. We have got it. The packaging is really nice. I like the packaging of Sprig, but not that advanced and easy as the Spigen. So just push it out now, and you will get what inside the box. So first of all, we get here the Sprig kit. This is an installation kit, they call it. We have the alcohol wipes in here, I think the dust removal sticker in here, and some cloth. So this is the tempered glass, and as it is mentioned here, use our installation app, scan below for the code. This is the QR code, and for Galaxy Note 10, 871, M51 transparent. So this is the transparent model, which has a punch hole camera hole on it. So let's see and check that out. So as I mentioned you, always I install the tempered glass first when I get the phone. So after doing the unboxing, we are doing this. So let's keep this aside and remove this. So I will use this to secure this phone's back because I don't want to damage the back. As you can see, there are a lot of dust particles here, so we have to remove it using the squeezy and whatever inside this. just tear it out and we'll see here. We get one cloth, one squeezy. This is a different type of squeezy. This is the dust removal sticker, and one alcohol wipe. Okay, let's check this out. So this has a lot of alcohol, I can feel it. As compared to the Sprig one, this has a lot of alcohol. So basically the pad is totally wet. You can see the droplets of alcohol on top of the display. And my friends, while doing this, I will also say it again, I like the M51 display as compared to the M52 display. Sorry, M51, M50 both. I like both M51 and M52 display as compared to the A52. I don't know why they are doing like this, but the ring around the front camera is a very downer, you know. It makes you think that you got a very cheap phone, but instead you are paying very high. So the alcohol has done its work. Now we will use this cloth to wipe out. In this case we don't get Landmaster like the A52 one, because that is a flagship phone, one type of flagship phone though. So the Sprig is also making a good installation kit for that. In this case we have to align it physically using your eye, and turning on the phone would be a very good thing in this case. So now we will use this dust removal sticker to remove any of the dust particles. So I think for perfect installation you have to be patient, and you have to do it very slowly, carefully. See why I give stress about these kinds of things, because tempered glass, I don't know, yes, it protects your front display, but also if you install it imperfectly, you lose the quality of display that you have. And in case of Samsung phones, I would be very stressful about it, because Samsung OLED displays are the best now in the market, and those One UI and Google's apps and everything, they won't look good if you are not having a very clear display. So for that reason I always do this kinds of stuff very carefully, without making any mess or without making any of the compromises. So now I will turn on the phone, because in this case we won't be able to know where we are putting the glass. We have to turn this phone on, and then I will be able to align the phone perfectly. So as you can see, the phone is turned on now. So now we will take the tempered glass out of here and remove it from its case here, as you can see. So wow, so this tempered glass doesn't have any hole. As I was mentioning you earlier, this tempered glass doesn't have any hole. This is just a perfect tempered glass, and they haven't mentioned which side is top and which side is bottom. We just need to wing it. So I am seeing some of the dust particles here and here again, so I have to like clean it before installing this. So this is the time for the squeezy. So this is the time for the dust removal sticker. So now we will remove this tempered glass and install on top of this display. So very carefully remove it. Okay, now turn this on to know where you are putting the glass and align it perfectly using both your hands. And I see that it is just getting perfectly aligned automatically, but the glass itself, it's a bit smaller than what we get on the phone, I suppose. Yes, the display is bigger and the tempered glass is smaller, so that is going to be a problem here. So basically this is the first thing that I see and I don't like. And the second thing would be, I suppose that the alignment is taking a bit time here, and very careful about it because I don't want to hamper any of the basically. Yes, alignment is done. Just put a finger here in the middle and just swipe it up and below, and you are done. Now we will use the squeezy to squeeze out the bubbles. So always from the middle to the outside, from middle to the outside. I see some dust particles here. I have to remove it using the dust removal sticker. Okay, here I think some of the dust particles are there. So basically, so the glass quality of the glass is really nice. I gave a 100% mark about it, but the adhesive is not that good because you have to use your finger. The squeezy is also not working in this case, as you can see here. The quality of glass is just like the glass that I had installed on the Asus ROG Phone 5. So basically it is a normal glass, I suppose, and the dust particles are retaining here, as you can see here. Let's open a blank screen and we will be able to know it. So basically, as you can see, no, there is no dust particles here. Only this part is no, this part. Yes, this part doesn't. Yes, this part has a one particle of dust inside here, and the part that was not getting adhesed is this part. This part has a small dust particle inside here. So this two part I have to rectify it. Give me some time. So let me tell you, when you get in this kinds of situation, you need to use these small dust part removal stickers. Okay, this is very easy to remove it. So just to pull the glass on top of here near the place where you have the dust, and push this small particle here in this way and remove it. You will get the dust out. So as you can see here, now I have used the technique that I showed you to remove all the dust particles from the display. Now you can see the display is totally clear without any dust particles. So if you see any of the dust particles, you can do that. So I was thinking that the glass is a bit small. Yes, from the wider side it is a bit small, but it will be good if you're using any of the case on top of this. Rest everything is fine, and you can see that I haven't turned on the touch sensitivity to the high. So basically it is working really fine. So here we don't have an in-display fingerprint sensor. This has the side fingerprint sensor, so no worries about the fingerprint sensor, my friends. And the A52, I have shown you how to do the fingerprint sensor. So that's all, my friends. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe my channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will link the product on the description below so you can buy it. Stay safe, my friends. Do subscribe. Bye bye.